Here is a great example of a bad French drain. Someone has cut slits in the top of this PVC, thinking that water is going to drop into this pipe and be carried away. Well, first of all, remember, holes point down into the bottom of the trench, into the gravel, and there must be a base of gravel.
With a base of gravel in the bottom of your trench, the water will rise up through the gravel and into the holes of the pipe much quicker than flooding clear to the top of the trench before it enters the pipe. You can see the water here at the bottom of the trench. This water will flood up through that gravel and then into the holes. So the holes need to point down. Here is our perforated pipe, and you can see this one has holes in it. Always remember that holes point down in any gravel system. There's no way that water is going to drop into those holes from the top until it floods to that level. Because there's gravel underneath of the pipe, water will flood up and into those holes pretty quick versus coming, all the way up to the top before water can enter. So make sure you're using a perforated pipe with holes in it, that the holes point down. So in order to correct that failed French drain, we had to pull out all that pipe that they had cut slits in, and now we're reinstalling, and you can see we've brought our gravel in by the bags here. There's not a lot of gravel on this job, but we've had to put our new pipe in, perforated pipe with holes pointing down. Now we're covering the trench with gravel. And remember that water will come down through that gravel to the bottom of the trench and then flood up into the bottom of the pipe where the holes point down. This is slotted pipe, and you can see the slots, the holes, they go all the way around the pipe. Okay, so this one can be laid just simply into the trench, and water still floods into the bottom of the pipe, and also as it comes higher it drops into the pipe. Both work really well. There's the holes, and we want those holes to point down. Okay?
Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Today is Sunday. We're doing live help from 12 to 4 p.m. It's just $80 per session, and we can help with all of your problems, project planning, take a look at what you're trying to do and help you understand what is needed to solve that problem. I can help you understand about tree roots, whether or not they're going to be a problem, crawl space, basement walls, exterior, interior waterproofing, all the problems that you face and need the answers. Sign up online, live help today, 12 to 4 p.m.
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.